Your FITT Gym arrives almost fully assembled. Inside the box, you'll find the main frame of the unit, the incline leg, the roller bar, the horseshoe bar, 2 pulley cables labelled left and right, 2 short star screws, 2 long star screws, 2 pulley tightening knobs, 2 end caps, and 4 safety rods, which you'll find already in the unit. If you find you're missing anything, please contact customer service. To set the unit up in ab slider mode or bodyweight gym mode, you'll need to attach the incline leg. You may find this easier with 2 people. Lift the unit, align the pin on the top of the incline leg with the hole in the base, and slot it in. Insert and tighten the 2 long star screws to lock the leg in securely. Now insert the roller bar into the top of the unit by depressing the locking pins and just slotting it in. Do the same with the horseshoe bar at the other end. FITT Gym is now in ab slider mode. When you're ready to start exercising, simply remove the locking pins from the bottom pair of quad pads and you're ready to go. To switch into bodyweight gym mode, you just need to attach the pulleys. Ensure the label is facing towards the unit and the cable handle is running over the top of the wheel. First, insert the screw end through the hole in the corresponding side of the main frame. Screw on the tightening knob to secure. Now take the small star screw in the other end of the cable and attach it to the side of the top quad pad. Repeat for the other side. Now you just need to fix the 2 pairs of quad pads together. Remove the locking pins from the lower pair, then slide them up the track to connect to the top pair using the hinges on either side of the pads. FITT Gym is now in bodyweight gym mode. When you're ready to start your workout, remove all the locking pins from the quad pads. The new and improved FITT Gym has 3 levels of adjustable incline when used in ab slider mode or bodyweight gym mode, allowing you to tailor the difficulty to suit your fitness level. To adjust it, we recommend first removing the incline leg. Then, unscrew the height screws and replace at the settings you want. The incline leg is marked to show you where to place the screw for each setting. Use setting 3 for a beginner level workout, setting 2 for intermediate, use setting 1 for advanced. When you're done, reattach the leg as normal, making sure the screws are properly tightened, and you're ready to go. Finally, to use your FITT Gym in Pilates mode, start by removing the incline leg. Again, you may find this easier with 2 people. Unscrew the 2 long star screws, lift the unit and remove the incline leg, placing the main frame flat on the floor. Remove the locking pins from the quad pads and slide them to the bottom of the track. Take the 2 resistance bands and slide them around the hooks here. FITT Gym is now in Pilates mode. Sometimes you may want to remove the horseshoe bar or roller bar to allow for greater range of motion. If you do, remember to insert the end caps to cover the exposed holes on the top of the main frame. If you'd like to purchase the specially engineered lap bar or squat platform attachments for your FITT Gym, call our 24-hour UK call centre or visit highstreettv.com. Check out our other videos for help with adjusting the quad pads or attaching additional accessories.